Happy New Year's Day to everybody. This is Lynn from Paper Peas, and in this video I am going to be doing an unboxing of my brand new Brother ScanNCut SDX125e. Now, I'll be candid with you all. I've had this for about a month or so, and because I've been trying to get my home organized, I've been trying to kind of regroup from a lot of these Ollie's hauls. I haven't taken the time to really try to open this up, but I figured, you know what, today is New Year's. What better way to start the year off by checking and opening up my ScanNCut. All right, I'll be the first to tell you, it's not heavy. It has the weight of probably one of the Epson EcoTank younger printers, like a 2850. Okay, so I've removed all of the shipping tape. I've removed all of the shipping packaging, and I've turned the machine on, and the instructions tell me to go ahead and use the pen, use this little pen that comes in there, and click OK. Okay. Now it tells me let's create a project in 8 steps. Step 1, attach the cardstock mat. Okay, let's figure out how to do this. All right, so here's the cardstock mat. Okay, I'm trying to. Okay, it comes with this Brother cardstock mat. Sorry for the glare. And in this package, it's giving a sheet of cardstock. So I'm assuming this is going to be for the test. So just like we do with our Cricuts, we peel off the film on this particular mat, which is what I'm doing now. Okay, set it to the side, and I'm going to put it back on here. And I go ahead and firmly, let me close this up for a second here. I firmly take and apply the cardstock like we would any other way. Their edge is a little different. So this edge, all of this is pretty smooth, but when you get here, it gets really, really sticky. It's a little different from our regular Cricut mats. You know, they have the stickiness pretty much for the most part all over a little bit. Okay, so let me go ahead and attach this. So I'm following the instructions that were provided in terms of setting up the machine for the upcoming test cut. And I'm really taking my time because not only, like I said, it's just my first time, but I want you all to be able to see the various steps that are included as well. Okay, so the machine comes with 2 different chambers. One is going to be this little pen that's going to draw an image onto the cardstock. And after it has completed, we're going to replace it with the actual blade that's going to do the cutting. get started. So on the left-hand side of the machine, there is a lever, and the machine is instructing me to change it from position 1 to 2 so we can proceed. Wow. Take this out. This. Okay. So now it's calibrating so that it can perform the cut. And in a minute, what I'm going to do is just speed it up since I know it's going to take a few minutes. Now everyone, this is my very first time using a scan and cut. There are certain things that I want to be able to get accomplished within my business. And I felt like, oh my goodness, this is amazing. I felt like this machine would enable me to be able to get some of these things done. I got to get this off the mat. Hold on one second, I'll be right back. So I have taken everything off of the mat and placed the film back on it. And I can feel the grooves in this mat from where this first cutting has taken place. So I can assure you I'm going to have to start looking for myself some additional mats. I don't even know the price point on them, but I am going to have to get myself some additional mats for future use. Set that to the side. Now here's what I got. It's already got the score lines in it. It's already cut everything out. I'm just going to go ahead and pretend like I know what I'm doing with this. This is the cutest thing. Oh, look. Well, let me go ahead and finish doing all the score folding. Let me finish folding all the score line on all the score lines first. Let me just do this first. Might make it a lot easier. All right. All right, now we're going to put this wonderful little cute thing together, okay? From what I see, okay, these are lining up. Ah, there we go. It's going to be a little box. Okay, so this here, but you guys have got the attitude. It's looking like, okay, she has beat us up tonight, but guess what? For this to be my first time using this particular product, let me get my light here. Let me get my Cricut light together here. For this to be my first time using the Brother ScanNCut SDX125, I think I did okay. I can honestly say that for me, I am happy that I purchased this machine. This is a self-purchase. I've wanted this because, like I said, I thought it was going to be a wonderful investment for my business and to make things a little more efficient within my business. And so, yeah, and I'm going to tell you something. This runs about $400, okay? So, for me, it was really like a major investment. And I am, once again, I'm very happy that I got this. Now, I've got to figure out. It doesn't look like it's going to be too difficult, but I've got to do a little more reading about the process of everything. But for me, for this to be my first time actually using this machine, I would say if you're interested in getting yourself one in the future, it's very user-friendly. Everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to tune into Paper Peas this evening. I am just elated about my Brother ScanNCut model SDX125. And once again, this is one of my little Christmas presents, and I've had it for about a month and a half, believe it or not. But I went ahead and got it early December, and as I've been trying to just organize some things around my home and around, a lot of these Ollie's purchases and different things that I've done, I just wanted to take my time to kind of film this and figure it out before I got started. And you know what? I got anxious and just opened up the box, and everything that you saw tonight, everything you saw in this filming is, as I always say, actual, factual, and true. So, as always, thank you so much for taking the time to tune into Paper Peas. I hope you have had a wonderful New Year's Day. Take care, and I hope you come back and see me again.